Want that must-have item on eBay but need a little help spreading out the cost? Let's dive into how you can use Clearpay to buy now and pay later on eBay. First things first, open your eBay app or head to the eBay website, search for that item you've been eyeing. Let's say you're looking for a new pair of sneakers. Type sneakers into the search bar and hit enter. Scroll through the listings until you find the perfect pair. Now, this is important. Not all sellers on eBay offer Clearpay. Look for the Clearpay logo, usually near the price on the item listing. If you don't see it, this seller doesn't accept Clearpay. See that Clearpay logo? Great! Click on the listing to view the item details. Review the item description, shipping costs, and make sure everything looks good. Then, click the Buy It Now button. You'll be taken to the checkout page. Here's where you'll select Clearpay as your payment method. Scroll through the payment options until you see the Clearpay logo. Click on it. You'll be redirected to the Clearpay website or app. If you're already a Clearpay user, simply log in. If you're new to Clearpay, you'll need to create an account. Clearpay will guide you through the sign-up process, which usually involves providing some personal information and linking a debit or credit card. Once logged in, Clearpay will show you your payment schedule, typically for equal payments due every 2 weeks. Review the schedule carefully. If you're happy with everything, confirm your purchase. eBay will then process your order, and you'll receive updates as usual. And that's it. You've successfully used Clearpay to buy your item on eBay. Enjoy your purchase and happy shopping. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful eBay tips.